Ever think about getting paid for your creative skills? Maybe you love taking stunning photos or shooting captivating videos. What if I told you there's a way to turn that passion into cash? That's where Adobe Stock comes in. Adobe Stock is a platform where creators like you and me can sell their work to a global audience. It's a marketplace filled with businesses, marketers, and individuals searching for the perfect image or video to bring their projects to life. The best part? You don't need to be a professional photographer or videographer to succeed. If you have an eye for detail and a knack for capturing compelling visuals, you've got what it takes. So, if you're ready to unlock a new stream of income and share your creativity with the world, stick around. In this guide, I'm breaking down everything you need to know about making money with Adobe Stock. Let's do this. Imagine a massive online library filled with millions of high-quality images, videos, illustrations, and more. That's Adobe Stock in a nutshell. It's a stock content platform where creatives contribute their work, making it available for purchase and licensing. Buyers can browse through various categories from travel and lifestyle to business and technology to find the perfect asset for their needs. Here's the breakdown. Creators, that's us. We upload our photos, videos, illustrations, etc. to the platform. Buyers, which include businesses, marketers, bloggers, and anyone else needing visuals for their projects, purchase licenses to use our work. Adobe Stock handles the platform, the transactions, and ensures everything runs smoothly. Every time someone licenses your work, you earn a commission. It's a win-win situation. You get paid for your creativity, and buyers get access to top-notch visuals. Ready to dive in? Setting up your Adobe Stock account is a breeze. Just follow these simple steps. First, head to the Adobe Stock website and click on the Sell Content or Become a Contributor button. Next, sign up or log in. If you already have an Adobe ID, maybe from Photoshop or Lightroom, you can use that to log in. If not, creating a new account is quick and easy. Then, complete your profile. Fill out your profile information, including your name, location, and a short bio. This helps potential buyers get to know you and your style. After that, verify your identity. Adobe Stock requires a quick identity verification process to ensure the security of the platform. Don't worry, it's super straightforward. And that's it. You're now an official Adobe Stock contributor. Time to start uploading your amazing content. Section 4. What sells best on Adobe Stock? Finding your niche. Now let's talk about what kind of content flies off the virtual shelves on Adobe Stock. High-quality photos and videos? This one's a no-brainer. Sharp, well-composed visuals are always in demand. Authenticity is key. People are drawn to images and videos that feel genuine and relatable. Think real people, natural settings, and candid moments. Trending topics, stay up to date on current events, popular themes, and seasonal trends. This can give you an edge in the marketplace. Diversity and inclusion. Images and videos representing diverse backgrounds, ethnicities, and abilities are increasingly sought after. The key is to find your niche. What are you passionate about? What unique perspective can you bring to the table? Focus on creating content that you love, and it will show in your work. Section 5. Tips for creating high-quality content that sells. Want to increase your chances of getting your content noticed and licensed? Here are some insider tips. Invest in good gear. You don't need the most expensive camera or equipment, but investing in quality gear can make a difference in your final product. Master the basics of photography and videography. Learn about composition, lighting, and editing techniques to elevate your work. Focus on sharpness and clarity. Blurry images are a no-go. Ensure your photos and videos are in focus and well lit. Keep it natural. Avoid overly posed or staged shots. Aim for a more candid and authentic feel. Edit like a pro. Learn basic editing skills to enhance your visuals without making them look over-processed. Remember, quality over quantity is key. It's better to have a smaller portfolio of exceptional work than a large collection of mediocre content. Section 6. Submitting your work to Adobe Stock, a walkthrough. Once you've created some killer content, it's time to unleash it on the world. Here's how to submit your work to Adobe Stock. Choose your file type. Adobe Stock accepts various file types, including JPEG, PNG, MP4, and MOV. Make sure your files meet their technical requirements. Add relevant keywords. Keywords are crucial for helping buyers find your work. Use specific and descriptive keywords that accurately represent your content. Provide accurate titles and descriptions. Give your content clear and concise titles and descriptions. This helps buyers understand what they're looking at. Choose the right category. Select the most relevant category for your content to ensure it reaches the right audience. Submit, and wait for approval. Once you've filled out all the necessary information, hit that submit button. Adobe Stock will review your content, and you'll receive a notification once it's approved. The approval process usually takes a few days. Don't be discouraged if some of your submissions get rejected. It's all part of the learning process. Take any feedback on board and keep creating. Section 7. Earning potential and getting paid, what to expect. Now, the question on everyone's mind, how much money can you actually make with Adobe Stock? The earning potential varies depending on several factors, including license type. Different licenses come with different price points. Your royalty rate. Your royalty rate depends on your contributor level, which is determined by the number of downloads you've accumulated. Demand for your content. The more popular your content is, the more downloads you'll get, and the more you'll earn. While it's unlikely to make you a millionaire overnight, Adobe Stock can provide a consistent passive income stream. Adobe Stock typically pays contributors via PayPal or Skrill. You can set your payment threshold and receive your earnings once you've reached a certain amount. So there you have it. Everything you need to know about making money with Adobe Stock. It's a fantastic opportunity to monetize your creativity, share your vision with the world, and potentially earn some extra cash. What are you waiting for? Get out there, start creating, and who knows, you might just surprise yourself with what you can achieve.